we have an IP address. Now this is 192.168.123.132. If you convert it into binary, this is the form. Always the IP address is dotted decimal. Subnet mask is also dotted decimal. So this is a class C addressing. Class C, the default is 255.255.255.0. So this IP address and subnet mask, it gives you network address. How to find out the network address? Convert the dotted decimal into binary and just AND them. You have to just logical AND them. Wherever there is a 0, you will get a 0. Wherever you have 1, you will get a 1. Otherwise all zeros. So 1, 1, you get 1. So actually when we IP address and subnet mask are ANDed, the network part comes as it is. Other, that is the fourth octet in this case, becomes 0. So 192.168.123.0. So this part, the first part, 192.168.123.0, this is the network address. So how did we get the network address? By ANDing the IP address and the subnet mask. And how to get this host address? You can invert the subnet mask and you can OR it with the network address. That is how you get the host address. So these are the octets. The first 3 octet in this case is the network, and the next one, last octet, is the host. That is how the subnet mask defines what is the network address and the host address. So here in this case, the first 24 bits, that is number of ones, are network address. The last 8 bit are the host address. If you want to understand in the form of data packet, then we have an IP address, and this IP address absolutely falls into class C network. So IP address is divided into 2 parts, network and host address. So the network portion is represented by what? When we ANDed these two, what did we get? 192.168.123. In class C, the first 3 are for the network. Okay. So the network router deliver the packet to which network? 192.168.123. Now in this network we have another router. That router will go to the routing table. It will ask where to forward this packet further. How it is going to give it further? Here comes the subnet mask. So it will use the data packet subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0. It does some binary mathematics, which ANDing and ORing, which I just told you. It observes the device address is 132. And therefore it will calculate which subnet it should forward the data packet to. So that is how the network is 192.168.123 and the actual host is 132. So on determining the target subnet, it will send the packet to the router that is responsible for delivering data packets within that very subnet.